Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is August 16th, and today I'm going to tell y'all how I lost 17 bucks day trading the NASDAQ. Alright, so I decided to trade the London session. I decided to trade London session because I feel like it's the best time for me to trade it. With school, I can't trade during school really. It's really tough to because teachers and all that, but and also it's also really hard for me to trade during Asian session because I have stuff later like basketball. So the sacrifice I have to make with that is I have to wake up early and trade London session, but it helps me have full clarity when I wake up and I'm able to focus on the charts. And so you guys can obviously see right here that during this trade that let's look at this. So what was I thinking during this trade, right? So what I was thinking, right, was I saw a price. So what I do is I trade the opening rate, the pre-range, right? So it's 3 o'clock to 3:30. I wait for that. I mark out the buy side and sell side liquidity. Price then went straight to this buy side liquidity and swept it, right? It also created equal highs right here. Swept down. I see this area, this imbalance right here, this fair value gap, right? What I see is that it taps into this like twice. I can show you right here, twice, consolidates, manipulated, down, and then you guys can obviously see it distributed up. But what's tough about this trade, this would have been an amazing trade, but the problem was this wick down here. And when I tell y'all, it literally went straight to my stop loss, took it out, and went straight up to my TP. Right here, I have an order block marked out because I had this order block, so I was bullish on the day. My bias was bullish because we were at all-time highs right here. This is all-time highs during 3:30. So I was thinking bullish the whole time. So I had this order block marked out to where I thought price was going to maybe reverse potentially from here. Like this would be a minor pullback. Instead, it went down, manipulated it. Then I said this imbalance looks like a good place because it respected this price right here, or this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and then it respected this candle, right, and went right back. How do I feel right now? The emotions. I honestly didn't feel much emotions during this trade, right? I'm not obviously not putting lots of money on the risk. I'm putting real money on risk. Like I'm putting real money. I'm losing actual money, but I'm not putting in crazy amounts, right? Which I don't think it will change. As soon as like when I get better and stuff like that, I start building capital. I don't think it'll really change. My emotions were really good during this trade. I feel like I was really calm and collected, especially when price went straight to my stop loss. I wasn't like sad about it. I wasn't like feeling sorry for myself. I was like, you know what? Let's see what happens. Because I had an idea. I already knew price was going to go up and rally back up, which it obviously did. You see, it's a huge run all the way up to here, like $100, like 100 handle run, bro. But what I was thinking, like I knew price was going to go back up. I just dang, it's really going to stop this out. It literally stopped this out with the wick, bro. I literally saw it, boom, candle closes, opens, little bit of buys, and then boom, straight down, then comes back up, and then takes out that stop loss. So it's a really tough loss, I feel like, but my risk was really good during this, and I felt really confident during it. So now I'm gonna go over like basically the rest of the news for the week right now. So right here, if we go to the calendar, honestly, this news doesn't really matter for me because I'm not trading New York morning session. But FOMC data tomorrow, or news data, I guess. Um, but it's at 2 p.m. So honestly, I would, if I was trading the, sorry, my bad. If I was trading the, if I was trading the morning session, I would trade during this time. I'll trade after. I'll trade the PM session. But yeah, tough loss. I felt great after this trade. This trade made me feel really confident because I'm like, I know I'm doing something right. I know I'm not gambling. I know I'm not like being stupid with my money. You know what I mean? I felt really good about this. My emotions were really good. I didn't revenge trade. I wasn't feeling terrible. Like I was like, you know what? That's fine. It's another loss. I have to lose before I start winning big, right? I wasn't feeling like super emotional. I wasn't feeling like terrible. I wasn't gonna revenge trade. I wasn't gonna be greedy. Like none of that. So yeah, honestly, good loss. This is a really good loss because I did everything right. Just the trade didn't go my way. You know, sometimes it just doesn't do that. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna try to trade tomorrow, and I'll see y'all in the next one.